Hello and welcome back everyone to another stream. So what are we going on here? We're doing another update on my indie game that I've been doing for a little while. It's been a while since the previous update, so I wanted to show off what I've got here. What I've actually done is a little demo room, and this is... the lighting's not been built properly yet, but I'm trying to use the actual Unreal assets to create this and give me a more like a base set of notes to work from, a very sort of basic wording of how everything works so I can remember it in case I forget while I'm building levels and things. I can just go back and have a look. Also, everything is annotated in coding, and if it's not, it will be eventually. I'm like slowly working towards getting everything annotated. So what have we got here? We've got some new features down the line, and I'll go ahead and go through this now. So we've got the same lance as what's going on. I'm just doing my update for my indie game that I'm making. So I'm going to show off all the stuff here at the moment. What we've got in game is the test or demo level here, and this is going to show off some of the mechanics that I've got in game at the moment. That was the third person character. This is where all the stuff is controlled from, but that was going to be the third person character, and then I got rid of the model because I wanted to avoid any problems with cameras and shadows and stuff. So I'm going with the Half-Life 2 style fix for this, of just not having a character model apart from in cutscenes. We've got details on the heads-up display here because you can't really interact with that, but then we start getting to the interactive bits. Like we've got the Resident Evil style pickup icon that we introduced a while back from the marketplace. We've got the flashlight, which can be used in here. The lighting, of course, because it's the middle of the day, is pretty crap for seeing the flashlight, but if we just shine it at the wall here, you can see it works. That was like one of the first things we worked on. Discord's going to be going off like crazy in the background here. We've got the battery that still works, and the explanation of how that works. And then, of course, we got the cameras that were introduced from the marketplace as well. Those work fine. I love the way my Discord is going off in the background like crazy here. I should have really muted it. We've got the cameras that work the way that they should. They just look around the environment and try and find stuff or let the player able to see stuff. Everything worked fine up until I think the end here, which is the new stuff. I just thought I'd put all these down because I really have to remember a lot at this point. We've got the key cards where if I don't have that key card, I can't open that door. If I do have the key card, I can then open the door. So we hit open, and the door slides the way it should. We got physics objects. I've had those in for a while. This was again based off Half-Life. The idea is that I can throw objects around and it'll attract the AI, of which I haven't actually put in this demo area. I need to potentially rig him up to have a laugh with him, but he is attracted to sounds and physics objects, and at the moment these are just the default ones. We've got audio logs and things that we can come in contact with. If we press the E key here, we can see a visual log rather than an audio one, but they work the same way as Bendy and the Ink Machine, where you can keep them up on screen while you're in a trigger volume, and then when you move out the trigger volume, they disappear. And then we've got the security keypad. This is the thing that I wanted to unveil today. I've been working on this for the past 2 days, and this is a pain, or rather, it was a pain. This is all using widgets. What happens is you pause the game, and you're allowed to enter a certain key combination, so you can enter anything in here, and if it's wrong, it comes up with wrong password. We can exit again, and when we exit, we can't get through this door over here. So we need to enter the right code, and we can enter like different bits and then delete if we want, and start again and put different codes in. But the idea is that it makes the player explore the level and find the code or the right code, and then when you enter the right one and you hit enter, the door is now just slid to the right. So what happens here is there's a custom event that is triggered when the right keypad combination is put in. The custom event comes from the object in question that's linked to the keypad in the blueprint, and then what it does is it reads through all of the inputs and just says, yeah, we can recognize this is the right password, and then opens said door. So I've got the basic mechanics here that I need for doing my game at the moment. Like I said, I still need to put the AI in here because the AI is really important, but I still need to go through its pathing a bit, because its pathing is a little bit stupid. It gets stuck on doors and things, so I need to potentially ask about that around the Unreal community again. But I'm happy with this at the moment. If I just turn the objectives off, turn the key off there for the crosshair, as you can see, I've been working on this demo level now for just a couple of hours, about maybe three hours, trying to get this set up because of the way that the blueprints are and everything, and trying to remember all the different notes from my keypads and all my other blueprints. So it's cool. I'm happy with it. I'm up to pre-alpha build 2.2 now. When I said when I hit alpha, that's when it's going to be more or less getting a demo sorted, like a very basic demo, and implementing everything. And the main part that was stopping me from that was the keypad system. Now all I need to do is try and implement this all in the level that I'm setting up and see what happens with the AI, and obviously, like I said before, tweak the AI's pathing. Anyway, it's been a really short video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Bye!